TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today, I have stuff from Discover. We have PayPal paying up to $55 an hour to do like administrative type work. We have some customer service. We have some healthcare. Hopefully I have a little bit of a mixed bag of something for everyone. But real quickly, if you're new to this channel, I try to help you find the best work from home jobs possible by taking the work out of it. I scour all the job boards daily, Monday through Friday, looking for the best places that are hiring remote work from home right now. Most of the time, I look for things that the masses qualify for, like things that don't require any kind of college degree, things that only require like customer service type experience, and I bring them to you and share them with you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out on anything, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. Links and timestamps are always in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just always ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But first up today on this beautiful Friday morning, we have the company Greenhouse Software hiring. Now, Greenhouse Software has 311 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a technical support specialist. Now, this is anywhere in the United States. They don't have any state restrictions, and this tech support is mainly going to be through email and website chat. So mostly non-phone with an occasional outbound phone call if you need it. They are looking for somebody to work a second shift though, 2 p.m. Pacific time to 11 p.m. Pacific time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But they're just looking for somebody to serve as the first point of contact for all the technical support communications, again, primarily via email and online chat, to answer questions, provide assistance, troubleshoot issues, and route product feedback appropriately. Now, real quickly, Greenhouse is the place that is actually hiring for this job, but you'll see another job that I share is posted on the Greenhouse platform. Greenhouse has one of these like HR management software is what the actual software as a service is what they provide. And so other companies use the Greenhouse software to post their jobs, to manage their employees, things like that. It is like an HR management type platform. So when you diagnose all of these technical issues, just know that you might be thinking of things like web-based tech support. You're going to diagnose and resolve basically just their issues with the products and services of the Greenhouse suite, escalating anything up, making sure it's just resolved in a timely manner. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 2 years of customer support experience. They want somebody who has experience doing email and live chat. You need to know how to use Zendesk or Jira, Salesforce, other customer management software solutions. You got to be a great problem solver and great communication skills, a passion for learning and sharing your knowledge with others. You do have to be authorized to work in the United States, and pays anywhere from $23.28 an hour up to $34.94 an hour. Moving right along, next up we have Discover. Discover has 4,600 reviews on Glassdoor, past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a credit card customer service. Now, this is for their PM or night shifts. Even though it says PM shifts, they do have start times that are earlier in the day. They have multiple shifts available. And they do give you a one-time $500 allowance to cover the cost of setting up your home office. And then they reimburse you $60 a month to cover your internet cost. So they are pretty much giving you everything you need to do the job, so you don't have to spend your own money like on a home office setup or a computer or anything. You can take that money they're giving you to get started. Now, they are looking, their next training class starts in June of 2024, and they have start times that range between the following. Now, they are only hiring in select states. Those states are listed right here, but start times can be 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 4 p.m., or even 5 p.m. I know some people are looking for evening shifts to work a second job after their first job. Shifts are Monday through Friday and some weekends, but you'll basically be handling routine customer service through the telephone or email and chat, their digital channels for Discover customers. You'll just be problem solving all of the customers' issues. You are going to be given standard scripts or things to say and follow, and procedures and policies, so you're not going in completely blind. You will be given steps to take to figure out how to solve a customer's issues. You're just troubleshooting any questions that they have, so you do have to be comfortable with multitasking. Now, they only require high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service. Pay for this position is anywhere from $17 an hour to $18.98 an hour. And next up, we have well-known PayPal hiring. PayPal probably really needs no introduction. They have 8,900 reviews, an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an administrative executive assistant. Now, I've always said administrative assistants, especially to the higher up executives and CEOs of company, where you're keeping them organized and on track, managing their meetings, their calendar, scheduling like their travel and things like that. If you are handling them and keeping them on track so they can do what they do and they make a lot of money, these jobs tend to be well paying. So PayPal is looking for somebody to be an assistant to support the SVP or the vice president for the North American SMB division. So you're going to anticipate the needs of this SVP and take initiative to solve their problems independently. So you are going to basically need to be somebody who is highly organized, somebody who can multitask and keep information very confidential. But if that is you, you'll just be providing support to the leaders, working with their teams to just help with the overall business objectives. So this could mean coordinating and managing their meetings, following up on actions from meetings on behalf of the leader. So like if an email needed to be sent out after the meeting, you would do that on behalf of the vice president. You're just going to provide agendas for the meetings, notes, follow-ups. So you are going to have to sit into these meetings as well and basically just listen in, take notes. You'll screen and respond to phone calls and emails for this vice president. They don't have time to sit there and answer their phone or answer all of their emails. So you're basically going to be answering their phone calls and reading their emails for them and then giving them the ones that are most important that they do need to respond to, and you taking care of anything that doesn't really need their full time and attention. So basically, if they need to travel, you'll call and book their hotel, book their plane, just make their travel arrangements, just all around, just anything they need done to make sure that they get to where they need to go. Now, it does say, other than just being highly organized and all of that, that you do need a bachelor degree or equivalent. So they'll probably take equivalent education and experience over a degree. Now, pay is going to be dependent on things like location and experience. And PayPal lists a very wide pay range from $16 an hour all the way up to $55 an hour. If you don't mind phone work, though, next up we have the company Hotel Engine. They have 384 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a claims and dispute specialist. So they're really looking for somebody who not is just the basic customer service, but somebody who can be an investigator, somebody who can really research and resolve issues, making sure that their books are balanced at the end of the day. So you're going to collaborate to resolve any billing issues and discrepancies that come up. So maybe a customer either emails or calls on the phone, because you're going to receive these issues either through email or phone from their suppliers. So you're going to get the issue, and then you've got to investigate it for the billing department, creating a positive outcome. So you've really got to follow the paper trail, the money trail, everything trail, trying to figure out what went wrong, where it went wrong, and what you can do to fix it. And then you'll communicate the solutions to resolve these issues. So you've got to be a very detailed person, and you are going to have to work with credit card companies regarding credit card disputes, facilitating communication between the two parties. A lot of times people will dispute things specifically with their credit card when they can't get a favorable outcome from the company themselves. So like, for For example, if you order something off Amazon and Amazon shows it delivered and you call Amazon and you say, I don't know if someone stole my package when I wasn't home off my porch or what, but there is no package at my house. Either you didn't deliver it to the right house or something happened, but I don't have it. You would want Amazon to either replace your item and send you a new one or give you your money back. But if Amazon says, hey, we showed you got it and that's all we need, you got it, you paid for it, we're not doing anything, the next step when you're unsatisfied with the company's outcome would be then to go to your credit card that you paid for it and you say, hey, this company is putting a fraudulent charge on my card because I didn't receive what they say I paid for. And then so that credit card company then has to reach out to that company, and the credit card company has their own process of working with the company to solve the issue. So that's kind of what you're going to be doing. You're going to be working with these companies and these credit card companies to solve issues where people are basically complaining. So this is going to require great communication skills. If you have basic accounting math skills, that's a plus. You've got to be a quick learner, ready to learn their new systems, processes, and procedures. And of course, you've got to be a problem solver. They want somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. basic daytime shift. And this is for the United States, and pay is $21 an hour. And of course, last but not least, we have the Cigna Group, because I had to throw in a healthcare position because healthcare is always near and dear to my heart. Cigna is an insurance company. They have 6,400 reviews, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for somebody to do quality assurance and claims auditing for their accounts receivable department. So basically, you're going to audit or review, examine their claims to verify they are accurate in accordance with their claim application, provider statement, and the policies on file. So you are basically going to be given checklists and policies, and you're going to have to look at these claims that have been billed to Cigna by providers' offices, doctors' offices, all kinds of things, even maybe members sometimes if they have a policy where they can bill their own claims for reimbursement. And you're going to have to make sure these claims meet the guidelines and the checklist and all the things so that they can pass and be actually processed. You are going to have productivity and quality standards that you need to meet. In the healthcare world, that normally means that you have to do so many claims an hour, day, week, month. So there is some kind of something set where you're going to have to do so many actual claims, but you're going to maintain accurate records and files, just supporting the team members for the team goals. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of experience solving customer problems. So this can be like customer service or something like that. You do have to have 2 years of some kind of a computer use. So like accurate data entry, being proficient with using a computer. Now, they do prefer somebody who has that medical terminology, and they want somebody who has previously worked with Medicare claims or Medicare claims processing. It's preferred, it's not required, but you do have to be able to work in a high volume, fast-paced environment. Pay for this position is anywhere from $17 an hour up to $25 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend ahead. Just enjoying the weather, enjoying summertime, enjoying your friends and family, whatever you are doing. We are getting, if you have kids, to the end of the school year. There's all kinds of school celebrations and graduations and things going on. So just have a fabulous weekend. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from Home Job Leads just for you.